Diageo Baileys, based in Dublin, Ireland, is part of the world's leading premium alcoholic beverage business and has been manufacturing the well-renowned Baileys drink since 1982. Today, Diageo produces up to 7 million cases of Baileys per year. The Baileys brand ranks top 3 in Diageo's portfolio of 13 premium brand spirits, making Baileys Dublin a priority site for a leading innovation and driving new product development. In 2010, Diageo Baileys initiated Project Orange, a multi-million euro project to redesign the Baileys packaging and investigate more innovative ways of coding their products. This led to Diageo replacing all their existing equipment with Videojet 3320 laser marking systems to print expiry dates, along with other critical production data, onto both their bottle labels and outer cases across the entire site.
Project Orange was basically a redesign of the Baileys bottle, and within this project it provided an opportunity to look at where we could really improve and across a number of areas, but particularly one area that we really wanted to go after was our coding and our data entry challenges that we were facing on a day-to-day basis. We had a number of high maintenance type equipment which was ink based, and with that there was a challenge of not only from an environmental point of view, where you had the solvents, the inks and the makeup, but really it was very much around how can we actually improve the actual data entry. How do we make it easier, faster for the operator from their point of view? And Project Orange and working through Videojet allowed us to unlock some of the solutions. Videojet supported in providing the solutions, with ourselves very much around the data entry side of things, by able to go to barcode scanning and simply adding the information in without having to manually enter the data was also a big win for the operator. The other area was very much around moving away from high maintenance equipment that had an area of reliability issues, moving towards the laser, both on the label and on the actual outer case, provided not only standardization but a quality that was far greater than we had in the past. When you actually achieve something that complements the artwork that very much is about the brand image, you can clearly see there is a big difference between ink and laser.
In relation to maintenance, the Videojet, the laser, is far easier to maintain as it's encased in a self-sealing style box, which at perspex will reduce dust and other foreign bodies from dirtying the device. As the operator, it's connected to the safety door. It's much easier to clean, wipe. There's no real need for maintenance. It's only to watch that the sensors are clear so it triggers correctly when the box passes.
I think Videojet, one thing that they did bring to the table was a clear direction of what was the potential in our production setup and how they could actually support us. Not just me as a maintenance engineer, but also from our operators.
As one of the packing engineers here on site, I was involved with the install over the project, and I worked quite closely with the Videojet engineers, Kevin and Kieran, and built up a very good relationship with them, and I find that relationship helps with the day-to-day running of production here on site. It also gives me a good relationship and a good level of ground to communicate with the guys on any issues that we might have with the laser systems. Since the install of the new LaserJet systems across the line, we've seen a vast improvement in productivity and machine reliability with the LaserJet systems. We also see a vast improvement with the interface of our personnel with the systems. Our production people are now able to make minor adjustments to the day-to-day running of the machines. Less involvement of our craft people having to interface with these machines.
When we looked to go out to tender, we entered innovation into one of the actual, if you want to say, scoring criteria. It was clear to see that Videojet were way ahead in their concept of how they could actually support us, where a lot of other people, their competitors, just wanted to replace like with like. How do I actually rate the project and the solution and Videojet and the laser? I have to say, when I look at the actual code on the outer cases and the bottle, I'm quite proud, that we actually achieved something that we set out to do. Yes, it's a lot easier for the operators. Yes, the quality is much better. And yes, the reliability should be there for years to come, in the next 10 years. Of course, I'm going to be happy at this moment in time. I think we've all done a good job.